Manipur Da Merger Agreement Mapung Phana Chatnahannaba Wapham Rajya Sabada ngasi Manipurgi MP LEISHEMBA Sanajaobana THANGATKHRE Hauze Rajya Sabada Chathariba Parliament Session gi 0 hour da mahakna Wapham asi taksilladuna makhatana haikibada Manipurna chahi lising manga hena ningtamna palam laba matung English amaga chamapan Nifuga Mapanda India da tinkibadagi agreement asi Kangbidana lakpana Manipur gi miyam da chaitheng piduna lakli khudam oina agreement asida Manipur bu Chakwat hanbada mateng oinaba palliba wafam sing thabakta onthokpa leitri masina maram oiraga Manipur gi socio-economic, cultural amadi political status hena chawkhatnaba agreement asi Mapung Phana Chatnahannaba haina center gi pukning chingsinki.
Although Manipur is a tiny state, but it was once a sovereign nation having a long history and civilization of more than 5,000 years, but Manipur became a part of India in 1949 under an agreement called the Manipur Merger Agreement 1949. However, for the last many decades, the previous government never tried to honor or address this agreement, and it really hurts the sentiments and pride of the Manipuris, particularly the last para of Article 8 of this agreement is very relevant for the Manipuris to uplift their socio-economic, cultural and political status. It read as, I quote, the government of India shall also undertake to make suitable provisions for the employment of Manipuris in the various branches of public services and in every way encourage the Manipuris to join them. It also undertakes to preserve various laws, customs and conventions prevailing in the states of Manipur pertaining to the social, economic and religious life of the people, unquote. But till today, no suitable provisions or safeguards are made or saved in this regard, so I urge upon the Union government to make suitable provisions or take up necessary steps to uplift the socio-economic, cultural and political status of Manipuris in the days to come.